All right, so I want NVIDIA either above 189. So right in here, like right where you see my 189, I want this reject and then I'll get in below 188, or I want it above 189. I know y'all don't know like what this, for like if you're in the webinar, this is an indicator that's up in my background called Fibonacci levels. We'll go over it. So this is the first 5 minutes of the candle and it's like jumping around right now. So that's enough for me to be like, okay, let me just let it, I'm gonna let you cool off, because if it do go above 189, you see it was a gap down from last night. You see that, Ellis? Like it gapped down. So if it go above 189, then you telling me that you gonna feel the gap to the upside. But if it do reject it in here, which is trying, that 189 is really holding it. It is really trying. So now I'm about to pull up VWAP. Even though it's really not going to help me. So VWAP is the volume weighted average price. It's really not going to help me, this indicator, because it's only one candle. But I'm trying to see, but I mean, this is pretty good volume coming in. And momentum coming in right there. It's above 189. I said above 189 instead of 189.81. Really could have been in. Well, let me see. While I'm over here talking, I might wait for the second candle instead of trying to scalp this one and hoping it still go up. But baby, not you coming all the way. Nuh-uh. Oh no. This where the patience come in. This where that patience come in.
So we wanted to close above 180. That's some small writing there. 183.
Well, so I said in here above this 189, but because I've watched it, because I've sat here and watched it like chop around in the first 5 minutes, that was enough for me to like, to literally sit here and force myself. I'm like telling myself, patience, patience, patience. It's not only this, you know, the market only been open 4 minutes. I don't have to hop in right now. Although if the second candle, which is the confirmation, if it don't reject, if it goes up higher, then yeah. Because baby, you don't, I mean, it just has, it's filled the gap now. But because I've watched the volatility of it as it's coming up, I'm a very cautious, I'm very cautious with my entries. Definitely could have been in and scalped this up, right? And wrote that up. And it would have been nothing wrong with that. It would have been nothing wrong with it. Because I said above 189. It is, you know, it's definitely above 189. I just have like I have trading rules and I don't mind waiting on my trading rules. So even with the price coming down a little bit in here, like I'm able to catch the premium a little bit cheaper, like as it's pulling down. Now I do believe it is about to reject and go back up because it's keeping the VWAP lines. It's above all 3 bands on the VWAP. And we see this wick coming in on it. I love to see it bounce right there. Boy, the door is open and you could come in here, cry baby.
So you said it's above all three VWAPs. I see the green is above. I see the VWAP is above.
Well, it's not now. Yeah,
Oh,
it came down. Yeah. But see, this is what I would want in here. And then you can catch the premium cheaper. Let's see. So I like the 195 call. It's 252. And I'm getting in now. I just got into the 255 call. Wait, is that what I just said? Did I say 255?
yeah, that's what you said.
Wait, 195. Sorry, I paid 255 for it. I was like, what? And I'm gonna exit that already because that just hit 10%. And if this keeps coming down, this is gonna make I could have got that premium cheaper. Damn it. If I would have let it come down just a little bit more, I could have got that premium like 20 cents cheaper. Hey, my Verizon swing. Oh, snap. You killed the Verizon swing. Please tell me you did the Verizon swing. Oh, my gosh. Ellis, come on.
Verizon. I didn't know nothing about Verizon.
I put it in the OG chat yesterday.
Oh no, I didn't get a chance. I told you I was in the mountains.
Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. It's 400%.
Are you serious?
And them contracts was like $20.
Oh my God. That's why I'm always a dollar late and a dollar short. Always.
We gonna get it because I'm gonna keep texting y'all my swings at the end of the night, or like towards the end of the day when I'm getting in. Now Johnson Johnson is pissing me off because Johnson Johnson is down 20%. Ugly. Okay. We recouping in here. So right now I bought one contract, y'all, and the premium was $2.56. Right now, because of that bearish candle, and that's a long-legged doji, so that was showing some indecision. It has the premium is now, well, I'm now down 0.4% because of this bullish candle coming in here. So I've lost $1 out of the 256 that I put in. And what I'm watching right now, so now it's down 5.4%. And what I'm looking right now is these upper wicks. I'm looking at these upper wicks. And what this indicator is down here at the bottom, this is called RSI. So what RSI is, it's a momentum indicator. It's showing, it's indicating momentum, like where momentum could possibly go. So the yellow line is literally, it's the signal line. It's showing like shift in momentum. And so what's on up here is going to correlate with momentum is the volume, right? Like what's pushing, like momentum needs a driving force, and it's the amount of trades. So volume is what we're looking at for in here. So I just let my Discord know because I didn't signal that I was in. Because just when I was finna, I was like, oh wait, I'm finna sell, and then it went back up. And so I wasn't gonna tell them to enter. You never enter into a trade on a doji. So me doing that, it was risky, right? So I'm not gonna signal it to the Discord. So on this in here, because this candle is coming in bullish, and it's coming right up here to my line, I let them know that I was in the 195 call, but that I was down 2%. So, you know, if you want to enter in with me, cool. But just know that I am down right now, but I am in. But okay, so the RSI, like how you read this, it's so simple, y'all. And no, there's nothing hidden to it. Y'all just keep looking for a hidden thing. And it really is pretty simple. When you're looking at the RSI, hold on, why is my messed up now? Okay, when you look at RSI up here at 70, if it's above 70, it's considered overbought, as in like the market is overbought, right? It's been a lot of buying. We're gonna see it overbought after a rally. And when it's down here below 30, then this is it's oversold. So it's been a lot of selling. It's been in a downtrend. Now, I'm gonna walk y'all through how to put your indicators on and everything. Like, don't worry. Let's just focus on, I remember y'all said, you know, you'd like to be able to see. Why didn't my lines change? I was trying to, oh. Yeah. So why am I still in right now? Because RSI right here, it's like in this 50 range. So it's like not trending. This is like considered like the non-trending range. Now the purple line, when you look in here on the RSI, this is like of the price. So we see that the price is turning up and it's about to cross back over momentum. That's a bullish signal. So I don't mind having entered in. It's riskier to do it, right? Because at this point, as we were sitting and watching like the volatility, and especially when this doji came in, which represents strong indecision, right? Especially as this came in, it was even more riskier decision to enter, but just I was willing to take that risk. But honestly, you have to trade according to like to your account size, right? Because this could turn around on me. This could turn around on me very easily. I'm at 6% right now. I'm up 6.6%. So remember, the premium was $2.56 when I bought it. Now the premium is worth $2.73. And the one contract that I bought, it was $256. I'm up 6%, 6.6% and $17 in profit. Oh, y'all, in my business. So Ellis, like one of the reasons why I'm keeping up with the VWAP, like this bounced off the VWAP line right here, bounced off the upper band, is holding the upper band right here. So you remember remember that class we had then? And I was like, man, look at this chop, like all these upper wicks going up, but hindsight like 2020, because it was going up. And I noticed like at least it was keeping up with the VWAP. That's my mindset right now. I'm like, okay, well, let me learn from that situation and not miss out. And it's been ugly to watch, but it never lost any of these, it never closed below any, not even on this bullish candle right here. It's still closed above the upper band, you know?
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. I'm actually still in the play.
Period. Yeah. Period. Ellis, we're gonna get this money today.
But this thing, I tell you, boy, this thing do a lot of rocking and rolling.
Mm-hmm.
For sure.
And this word that yep, that's exactly what I was gonna say.
Yeah.
And then learning, and then and learning from it. So like I said, like I remember sitting in that class with you, and we was just like, dang. I mean, that went against like our technicals, but then also if I'm gonna pull up the indicator, I might as well use it. So I mean, so right now we're up 10%. Well, 9.7%. The premium is now worth $2.81. And I am $25 in profit. That's off buying one contract.
So that would be a swing low, would be the candle to the left that looked like yeah, once we go above, then we going up.
Yeah. Yep. Above this 192, it would have been a swing low from this drop. Yep. And look at the volume. The volume is more than the size of the last one. And remember what I was saying about the RSI? It was about to cross. It just crossed.
So we getting momentum with the volume.
Exactly. Now the momentum is coming in.
Cool.
So we good now. We entered at the bottom. And we watched some ugliness, but we allowed our training and our trading strategy to keep us in that thing. And now we're finna get this money. So now we're at 20%. I'm $52 in profit. Now, of course, I went heavier in my account. This is what I post like in the Discord. We're at 22%, and this was my first profit target, I believe. Yeah, the 191. I mean, second. Oops. Definitely meant second.
So I got out, because the guy's getting ready to come out, and I'm gonna have to move. So I didn't know. Now, are you setting a stop, or since you watching, you just letting it run?
Hold on. No, I just look at the way it just rejected. As soon as that candle opened, it rejected the second target right there. This was a good run up. This was a $3 run up. So I'm scaling out in my account.
Yeah, I'm
took some profit.
18%, 18 point something percent. I'm out.
I like this lower wick coming in, but look at them. You're literally watching them sell into the buying. Them as in institutions right now. They just like, look, it was up, and then in what, 2 seconds pushed it back down. Insane. But as long as the selling volume is lower, it's okay. And it still hasn't come down to the upper band of the VWAP. So I'm not all the way out. I'm not all the way out. My stop loss is going to be 191, the level that it just crossed. If it comes back above that or below that, or even touches it, that's my stop loss. I'm good on the ones I left running. So a runner is if in my normal account, I bought 10 contracts. And so and we just went 30%, Ellis. So congratulations.
I didn't go 30, but no, that's cool. I did almost 19.
You 19%, that's lit. Because you just pulled yourself out early too. What you saying?
Yeah, I pulled myself early only because I know this guy is getting ready to come out and he said I gotta move, and I would rather get out at 18% and lose a couple than get distracted and then go down 18%, right?
Exactly. Y'all listen to him. OG, right, for real. So exactly.
Well, I heard early on you can't go wrong taking profit, right?
Now I love this bounce off this upper band. No, I'm not gonna lie, I love that. Now a good time to re-enter.
Wow,
right?
look at that. Wow, look at that. Wow.
And look at the RSI, it just opened up too. Period.
Wow.
Period. 35%.
Wow.
But, right? It's gonna pull back. It's gonna pull back, and it's gonna create back to this level, and it's gonna create a good reentry. Period. I'm up $102, 40%. 45% up $117.
Can I just say something or be watching? But look at this thing running.
You say, can you say something?
No, I want to say something, but I don't want to distract you, or I don't know anybody else on there but me and you. Or
oh no, it's just us, and I'm just recording it for the webinar.
No. So you said something yesterday that was so profound that people think because they throw a lot of money in, it's going to equal a lot of gains. When the reality is, the lower you can get in, you should be looking for bigger gains. I'm not finding the right way to state it, but you had to say that yesterday. Like people, they give them 5, 6, 8,000, and then they're risking all that money for a couple of hours when you could do the same thing for maybe $500.
Yeah, exactly. Because I just really made my money back. And I don't think that this is well, now I just told them in the Discord so y'all can see we're at 60% and it just broke a major level, so take some profit. We should expect a pullback, right? I absolutely expect a pullback, but my stop loss is going to be below because I'm going to keep myself in profit. So honestly, my stop loss is below 192.50.
So you multitasking? There's no way in the world. I can barely just keep up with an email. But you are from the technology era, though. I'm not.
Man, I used to struggle doing this, but I just
figured
out. Yeah, like I'd be like, somebody's gonna lose. Somebody's gonna lose, like if y'all want me to live trade, and please believe I'm worried about myself first, and you want me to push out. So I let them know. I'd be like, listen, these days I'm calling it out so I can practice like doing this. You know, I don't know. I just, yeah, I had to practice getting in here and multitasking and doing it. Definitely had to practice. So I scaled out. So I actually sold, and I'm going to re-enter. That's what I'm gonna tell them, but I'm still in. But I am gonna it's not a bad idea to sell and then to re-enter shit. If you have the capital.
But see, this your baby, so you know how to play it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Somebody even just on a call like myself, I really don't know the personality of this stock.
Yeah.
So you when it comes down to it, you really need to know that. Like I play
Yeah,
spy on a regular basis. Yeah. Look at that wick.
Yeah, but when I come over here and I'm looking on a higher time frame, even on the 15-minute, is oversold. I mean, it's overbought, right? Overbought, but it does look like the price is still. That was a major level. Now they being like institutions, right? They could be trying to fake out, but like I said, that's that stop loss. Keep like if it can't hold this level, child, we just gonna go on and take some what is this? Oh, it's looking like it could be. Hold on, let's see. Is this gonna be a
It's
bullet in a
retesting it
bearish
now.
chart
So.
pattern? Mm-hmm.
Well, we're breaking it. Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that's it. How much time left? 1 minute and 20 seconds. That's it. And this is truly where I want my level right here. I just put it up there at that wick, but this is where I want, even wanting this level, and even moving it down, you still broke that. So it's still that. And lost the upper band. So I'll enter to the downside. I mean, could have done it, especially when it lost the upper band at this 192, right? And that would have been a real good scalp. Could have definitely rode that, but to me, it wouldn't have been worth it because the premiums are so high right now. So look at RSI, like the prices.
Turning back down.
Mm-hmm.
Crossing momentum. Wow, look at it.
Which even one hot time frame higher was already telling us it was overbought. Mm-hmm. So that was like looking on the 15-minute was okay, so now let's turn it around. You got time? You want to turn around and put it in you want to buy some puts?
Are you talking to me?
Mm-hmm.
No, I have no money for no puts. Because when you got a small account, what they do is they freeze your money up.
Mm. So I'm about to get into these 185 puts.
And these things are
expensive. Watch it hold this level right here. Watch this have been a pullback. Let's see. So I entered. Well, not yet. Because I had set a limit order for the exact price I wanted to do. So I'm actually just going to cancel this order before I take my money. I'm just going to cancel the order.
Yeah, they will take it.
And I'll enter at a better time. Better enter right there. So I'm now in the 185 puts.
So we coming down what to 188.30 maybe? 183, what is that? 180.
I'm gonna take profit at 189.
189, yeah.
That's my first place.
Okay, that would be it anyway at the bottom of that doji, right? That's the next level down, well, all the way across anyway.
So I'm up 10%. It cost me, the premium was $1.88 and the premium is now $2.05. So I definitely plan to just scalp this. I'm gonna just scalp it. So I'm gonna catch it like at the bottom of this candle, if possible, before it like shoot back up. But it also might give me this momentum because now the price did cross below here on our side. This volume is, oh yeah, this volume is coming in. The volume's coming in. Oops, I forgot to tell them I'm in 185 put.
Don't worry about it now. Because if they get in now, they might be chasing.
Yeah. I'm just I got in.
I don't know. They might can get it now. Look, it came back. It might. I don't know what the premiums look like.
The volume is coming in higher, but just because I've seen it happen before, what I am waiting on until this come down past the low of what this was, what I am kind of looking for is for this to quickly turn into a bullish candle, and then this volume have been higher bullish, right? Just because I've seen that happen before, so I need this candle to come on down.
What you mean by turning a bullish candle?
Like if this rejects and it goes, the price like goes up like really quickly, really suddenly, like they decide to hold it right here. If this turns into a bullish candle, then this volume will be bullish. Okay, there we go. The fear is over. But that volume would have been like bullish volume that was.
I got you.
Yeah.
I got you. Which suggests that they were reversing.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. That little green swiggly thing in the bottom of the VWAP?
1 second. I'm posting in the Discord.
No, my bad. My bad.
I'll post the video ASAP. No, because it was asking why I'm not live trading today. All right, so the fact that it bounced off of this right here, don't like that. Don't like that. Don't like that. So we got a minute.
That's how I was asking. That the VWAP, the bottom, the green one?
Yeah, that's the lower band. Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely.
I'm not the biggest fan. Let me tell them. Bouncing off lower band on VWAP. It's at 12%, not a bad scalp. It's at scalp if you want to get profits. Could bounce up from this band. Okay. But the volume is lower.
Look at that.
But this volume came in higher here. So this might come up, but I would expect it to reject. So 13% profit, and it has me up $100, being 13% in profit on that. But I also bought 4. So I will say that I bought 4. So I leveraged $750 to buy 4 at $1.88. So 21%, $164. Lost VWAP, lower band. First target is where we entered at 189 entered to the upside.
How do you get them shadows on your VWAP? That look pretty cool.
The setting.
So
You can do it on the setting, the band fills.
Oh, you just got, it don't look like you had one, but it's two up there, right?
Mm-hmm.
All
right. So we're about halfway, we're almost halfway through this candle. And this is like a spinning top doji, you know, indecisive after it did pull back, right? So you got this, we have this pullback almost coming down the previous support. So that right there, I'm selling. I'm pretty sure I'm selling. Unlock my phone.
Yeah.
Unlock. Listen, 13%, I'm still up $100 something. Okay. And I'm out. That's that bounce off the VWAP. I'm cool on it.
Wow, you are so methodical, man. Wow, that's amazing. It's amazing. And you can hear the calm in your, like, you just patient enough to let it do what you want it to do.
And even if it do come down, that's my strategy. You bounce off of that after we done had this pullback in here. I'm good. And then look at RSI turning up.
It's funny because prior to this, I got on 2 or 3 of the lives, and them 3 days it didn't even do nothing. So this was pretty cool to watch today.
Right.
And there's gonna be days like that. I mean,
yeah,
that's facts.
So
do you do
Hmm.
do you do the afternoon session at all, or this after the morning you're done?
Yeah, once I'm done, I'm done. So I made 3,000 this morning. So, you know.
Yeah, no, you're done.
Let's see. I have class at 11, 1, 6, and 7. That's not too bad though. That's not bad. So now what we doing? So let me turn all this noise off. So if we look at this, we see like it was a rally and it pulled back, but it didn't come down to previous support. Almost, but it technically didn't. So this made a low. And it looks like now this low, right? Possibly, okay, hold on, let me draw it. Is what I'm looking for to happen. Now it could do that, but it could also, where we see it is starting to consolidate in here. And the consolidation, it shouldn't be anything more than like, we'll say like 5 to 10 candles in here where it'll consolidate. But it could also do that and then continue to break down. And then this will definitely have become a swing high. But it didn't quite come back down here to prove, not quite. I wouldn't say it didn't. Could really even say previous support was, I don't know, maybe let's look on the 1 minute so I can really see.
No, it didn't come down.
It almost kind of makes me want to adjust my 191 as I'm in here though.
So what?
Like about like right there. So now it's I don't even know what that is. I mean, I wonder if you could, nah. See, I'm not that great at like spotting Head and Shoulders, to be honest, but I mean, kind of.
Nah, I think that works, yeah. Because no, why you can't always go by the computer because the computer confused.
Maybe kind of,
But
but then I was also looking at this like that it's bear flagging. We're getting this bear flag on the 1 minute, like this in here. But we'll see. Sometimes like being on the 1 minute, it just be like a little bit too many candles for me, a little bit too much noise for me. Okay, there we go now. This comes back past this right here, it would have been this movement up is a swing low. And so you could feel free to go ahead and enter even above before that 192.50. I mean below the 192.50. So what I did is I never sold 3 of the calls, the NVDA calls that I first bought, the ones that I bought where the premiums were $2.56. I left 3 of those running, and those 3 are at 20% now, up $300. Hold on, let me see. Up my bad, $260.
so once we pass that candle to the left, that's the swing low, swing high. You said
This would be a swing low.
Okay. Can't get it out, yeah.
Let me tell them above 192.20 is considered a swing low. Oh, okay. Well, now considered a swing low. This is a good reentry.
I'm thinking about NVDA. Them premiums are not cheap.
Well, let me find them one that is.
So let me see. If I look at we said we're looking at the one.
Oh yeah, no, you're gonna have to pay to play today.
For sure. For sure. Otherwise, you'll be so far out the money that if that return on you, you could forget about it.
You never sold earlier, so I'm trying to figure out if you never sold earlier. To hold on to your, no, I ain't even gonna say that, I ain't gonna say that. Oops, hold on, let me not even send that message, period. And
Yeah. See what happens.
and where am I at? I'm at 14.4%. Let me just go ahead. I'm good. 3,200. I'm good for the day. I'm good. And all right, so I leveraged total, let's see, 750, and then no. So in my account, I leveraged total. Yeah, that's 7. And then how much is this one? 1285 and made 3,200. Don't always have to buy the $7, $8, $9 contracts. I don't spend more than $2,000 a day, unless it's just like a hot fire spitfire day. I don't spend more than like $2,000 a day, and I better make more than that.
I was to probably 2.5 ratio. Something like that.
I'm cool with it. Well, I'm glad that you did walk away with profit, and I think that that's like really good profit. And well, let me stop recording now. Hold on, because this ain't y'all business.